Yeah, I know. Another dowel rod made by X Machine. I get it. And honestly, I was never a big fan of using dowels in the first place, until I needed a dowel and found out how much they charged. Here, where I live, for a dowel that's 3 feet long and 5/8 inch in diameter, it costs as much as a 2x4 by 8 foot board. And that's for poplar. Oak is almost twice that amount. That's an enormous waste of money. I looked at some of the other options on YouTube and I was a little disappointed by the time it took to make a dowel itself or the complicated nature of the jig. And some of these jigs were so large I'd need to store them outside my garage. But that's not fair. When I started this was the monstrosity that I came up with. I even threw my idea out on Instagram as a teaser, but it really was a disaster. This is what I finally came up with. It's small, it's easy to make, and it makes dowels fast without having to even be close to the end size. And what I mean by that is I can start with a 1x1 square blank and get a 1/2 inch dowel. It might waste a little wood to do that, but hey, it's still cheaper than those box store dowels. If you haven't checked out the last video I made showing how you can add flutes to your dowels, I'll have a link in the description and you'll also be able to click on it at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I have an instructable to give a little more understanding to what I did here with other insights. That'll be in the pinned comment below. Give us a like, a subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at MakeThingsWithRob. And remember, keep making things.